Every industrial project demands reliability. Every connection must hold. The question is, who can you trust to deliver the quality and support you need, anywhere in the world? The answer is Tianjin Delan. We are more than a manufacturer. We are your strategic partner for metal components and piping solutions. We combine expert engineering with seamless global service. Quality isn't just a promise, it is our DNA. Our products meet or exceed international standards, such as ASTM, DIN, and JIS. We understand your needs are unique, and we can easily accommodate your drawings. That's why we specialize in customization, from standard pipes, fittings, and flanges to completely custom metal components. Our engineers will work with you to transform your drawings into durable, long-lasting reality. We offer a comprehensive product range: pipe fittings, gratings, fasteners, flanges, and both galvanized round and square tubes, all designed for performance, safety, and longevity in the toughest environments. As a trusted trading partner, we make international business easy. Our responsive sales and support team ensures clear communication and on-time delivery, providing the exact products and support you need. Don't just source components. Build a partnership. Let's connect and build something stronger together.